Hey, this is Fly Lady Premium Mentor Emma here with this week we are in the bathroom, and so we're going to look at some of the missions that Fly Lady sets you. Now if you're not decluttered in your bathroom yet, finish off decluttering before you attempt any of the missions. So today's mission is to clean down behind the back of the toilet, you know, on the bend and all of that, because we often miss that when we're cleaning sort of in our swish and swipe. So today is the day to get that a little bit deeper, and it can get pretty gross behind there. My daughter is my camera lady today because in the bathroom and down there it's really hard to kind of get a good camera angle, so if it's a bit shaky today, I'm really sorry about that. Okay, we will join you, you will rejoin us rather, down on the floor in a second. Hey, right, I'm now down on the floor. Normally I wouldn't do this like this, I would be bent over with my bum in the air, but nobody needs to see that, especially not me on a video, thank you. So I'm doing it at a bit of a weird angle, but whatever works for you. Now I use microfiber cloth. Don't always use that many chemicals depending on what I'm cleaning or where. So if you like to spray some bleach spray or something like that, do that. I think this is a very enclosed area in my bathroom. As you can see, it's not huge, so I try not to use too much in the way of chemicals that are going to choke me while I'm doing it. So it's just a damp cloth and just to lean behind, and we won't get a close-up of it because it is the behind of a butt toilet and I do have boys. So we just do this side like this, and then kind of, I like to wipe around the front as well and get myself out of the way, and down around here too. And then I do the other side. It's probably, I also do this little pipe thing here. It's probably a 5-minute job. It doesn't take that long. It might take a bit longer if you haven't done it for a while because it can get pretty gross behind there. But yeah, doing that just once a month when we're in the bathroom zone is enough to keep that going. We also have our one other room. We mustn't forget our one other room. And for this month, we're in March, it's to deal with your stash and dashes. Okay, so however long this takes you, spend another 5 minutes or so just dealing with a stash and dash that you've dealt with. I'll be back tomorrow with the next mission. You'll have a great day now. Thanks, bye.